Bert and Kip, I was so fine, fixing bird nest. I'm so sorry, Bert, said Kip. I guess it's okay, said Bert. I can fix my nest. Nope, said Kip. We can fix your nest. Let's look for new sticks. Bert and Kip look for new sticks. They found some in the park. They found some on the boardwalk. Then Kip found a fancy stick and was in the car. Vroom, said Kip. What are you doing? Asked Bert. I'm a race car driver, said Kip. Don't be silly, said Bert. You're not a race car driver. Come on, Bert. Let's go for a ride. Huh, I don't want to ride in the car, said Bert. Cars are go too fast. But we are just pretending, said Kip. Okay, said Bert. Why not? Bert climbed into the car. Suddenly, it started to move. Như thế là mình sợ ngã đấy.